What's the meaning of bushwhacking? Bushwhacking. Bushwhacking.
Bushwhacking. Bushwhacking. Bushwhacking refers to the act of traveling or exploring through thick vegetation, such as forests or jungles, without using any established trails or paths. The result of bushwhacking can be a sense of adventure and excitement, as well as a feeling of being one with nature. However, it can also be physically demanding and potentially dangerous, as one might encounter unexpected obstacles like fallen trees and steep terrain. Overall, bushwhacking provides an opportunity to immerse oneself in the wilderness and experience the thrill of exploring uncharted territory.